Welcome back, guys. We've got the coolest car gadgets coming your way. Don't miss out on these sleek, high-tech auto accessories. Let's jump in. Number 12. Adakiit Car Emergency Kit. Have you ever wondered what to do in a car emergency situation? Meet the Adakiit Car Emergency Kit, your ultimate road companion. This versatile kit, compatible with most car models, provides a safety net for those unforeseen situations on the road. It's packed with essentials like a comprehensive first aid kit, reliable jumper cables, a high-tensile tow strap, a window breaker, a warning triangle, work gloves, a durable tow rope, and a powerful LED flashlight. And the best part? It's all neatly packed into a compact bag for just $30. Stay prepared and stay safe with the Adakiit Car Emergency Kit. Number 11. AstroAI Windshield Cleaner. Do you find it difficult to clean the inside of your car's windshield? Introducing the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner, your solution to hassle-free windshield cleaning. This handy gadget includes 2 washable and reusable cloth pad heads, an extendable handle, and a convenient spray bottle for auto glass. The extendable aluminum handle features a pivoting 180-degree triangular swivel head, constructed from high-quality plastic for durability. With its ergonomic handle, you can easily reach those hard-to-access window bases. Say goodbye to streaks and smudges on your windshield. Get your car's windows shining like new with the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner, available for just $14. Number 10. ATG Windshield Wiper Repair Kit. Ever wondered what to do when your windshield wiper blades are worn out? Say hello to the ATG Windshield Wiper Repair Kit, your essential companion for safer driving. This nifty accessory should find a permanent spot in your glove box, ready for action when your wipers start streaking. With the included trimmer, a few easy moves are all it takes to sharpen those blades, ensuring clear visibility on the road. Not only does this kit keep you safe, but it also contributes to environmental protection by extending your wiper blade's lifespan up to 3 times. Don't compromise on safety. Get your ATG Windshield Wiper Repair Kit today for just $20. Number 9. JEYODA Car Suede Seat Organizer. Ever wished for a clutter-free car interior? Introducing the JEYODA Car Suede Seat Organizer, your ultimate storage solution. With its high-capacity design, this seat back pouch keeps everything you need right at your fingertips. From tablets to water bottles and snacks, it has a place for it all. Crafted from luxurious suede, it adds a touch of elegance to your car's interior while ensuring durability and easy maintenance. Say goodbye to the chaos and hello to the JEYODA Car Suede Seat Organizer for just $40. Keep your car tidy and your essentials within arm's reach with a JEYODA Car Suede Seat Organizer. Number 8. Car Cigarette Ashtray Cup. Looking for a convenient car ashtray that also adds style to your interior? Check out this sleek car cigarette ashtray cup. It's built to last, fits most car cup holders, and has a smart design with a dedicated holder for cigarettes. Plus, the rubber ring inside the lid keeps odors at bay. But what sets it apart is the built-in backlight, adding a touch of sophistication to your car's interior. For just $12, you can enjoy a cleaner and more stylish way to deal with ash on the go. Number 7. Car Cup Expander. Tired of juggling drinks, snacks, and essentials while driving? Meet the Car Cup Expander with a tray. This ingenious gadget is your ultimate driving companion. Its 360-degree rotatable tray lets you find the perfect position, and the anti-shaking spring plate and U-shaped groove keep your beverages secure, whether it's a large bottle or a mug with a handle. What's more, it's a multitasker. Use the tray to store your phone, keys, or even makeup. It's like having a mini table in your car. When you're done, just remove it and stow it away until your next adventure. Say goodbye to car clutter for just $34. Number 6. Kurgo Direct to Seatbelt Tether. Got a furry co-pilot in your car? Meet the Kurgo Direct to Seatbelt Tether, a game changer for safer and less distracting drives. Just attach it to your pup's harness and it clicks right into your car's seatbelt. No more fumbling with seatbelts every time your dog hops in or out. You can enjoy a relaxing drive, knowing you and your four-legged friend are cruising safely and conveniently. Grab yours for just $30. Number 5. VICSEED Universal Phone Mount. Looking for a universal phone holder for your car? Check out the VICSEED Universal Phone Mount. This multifunctional mount can be easily attached to your dashboard, windshield, or air vent, offering flexibility in how you use it. With its upgraded super strong, sticky suction cup and a 2-step lock mechanism, it provides exceptional suction power, keeping your phone securely in place. What's more, it boasts a sleek and unobtrusive design, taking up only 30% less space than other car phone holders, ensuring it won't obstruct your view of the road or your car's airflow. Plus, the silicone padding on the clamp arms and foot keeps your device safe from scratches. Get yours for just $28. Number 4. OUGETHER Car Headrest Fan. Do you dread sweaty drives on scorching summer days? Say hello to the OUGETHER Car Headrest Fan. This cooling fan is your savior, equipped with 3 adjustable wind speeds for your comfort. It securely attaches to your headrest rod with an adjustable strap, ensuring it stays in place. Simply plug it into a USB port, customize your settings, and enjoy a cool and comfortable ride. Get yours for just $24. Number 3. Portable Vehicle Support Handle. Need help getting in and out of your car? Introducing the Portable Vehicle Support Handle, a game changer for seniors, expectant mothers, and anyone needing assistance. This innovative car door assist bar is made from high-quality materials, supporting up to 300 pounds. Easy to install on any vehicle with a door hook. It measures 6.5 inches in length and 1.5 inches in width. With various color options to match your car's interior, this handle blends seamlessly while providing essential support. Don't miss out. Grab yours for just $25. Number 2. XOOL Electric Car Fans. Wondering how to beat the summer heat on those long road trips? Look no further than XOOL Electric Car Fans. Tailor-made for rear seat passengers, these portable fans are a game changer when temperatures soar. With a 360-degree rotatable design, you can direct the breeze precisely where you want it. Powered by your car's 12-volt outlet, they guarantee a consistent and refreshing airflow. Plus, installation is a breeze. Don't let the heat get to you. Stay cool and comfortable for just $28. Number 1. Fixed OBD2 Scanner. Wondering how to keep your car running smoothly and avoid costly repairs? Meet Fixed OBD2 Scanner. Simply plug it into your car's OBD2 port under the dashboard. Connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth, and the Fixed app becomes your car's health monitor. Get real-time insights into potential issues before they become major problems. It's compatible with most cars made after 1996, ensuring you stay ahead of maintenance needs. Don't wait for breakdowns. Stay informed for just $40. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our car gadget showcase, like, share, and subscribe for more tech treats. Stay tuned.